Moving a 1-ton bell isn't a simple thing. You've got to think about the rigging, the equipment, how you lift it, where it's going. But that's the kind of challenge Sundt teams are built for. This is the Arizona Liberty Bell. It's been a quiet presence at the Capitol for more than 70 years. Gifted to the state decades ago as a symbol of the country's founding ideals. This year, for America's 250th birthday, it got back on the road. The AZ 250 Commission organized a traveling museum. The bell would tour every county in Arizona, and it was on the road for months. While it was gone, there was work to do. The old base and headstock had been there for decades. They were beginning to fail. The commission asked Sundt to build something new, a renovated monument worthy of what the bell represents and built to last for generations. Once the bell left, we had the site, and the scope of the work was bigger than it might look from the outside. We reworked the electrical, redid irrigation, replaced a large section of concrete pavement, new curbs, new slab-on-grade placements, new landscaping. This wasn't a cosmetic refresh. We were rebuilding the foundation. Some of the most important work happened right here at Sundt's Training Center. This is where we develop the next generation of craft professionals. Our apprentices built the concrete forms for the new monument base right here. People learning their trade, building the forms for a structure that's going to stand at the state capitol for decades. That's going to mean something to them for the rest of their careers. Sundt's been in Arizona since 1929. We helped move the London Bridge when it was relocated to Lake Havasu City. We built the Governor's Tower at the Capitol complex where the bell sits. When you have that kind of history somewhere, being asked to do this, to restore something that belongs to all Arizonans, it lands different. The people who did this work live here. They raised their kids here. This state is their home, and this project felt like that. Then the bell came home. Watching it settle into the new base, the base our apprentices helped form, that our crews placed and finished, that's the monument. New plaques were added, rededicated the bell to the people of Arizona. The largest inscription reads, "Together, we tell Arizona's story." That's what this was, another chapter written by the people who build this state.